What's going on, man? You got no rear lights.
I would buy American. Come on, what's your name? I'm Steve. You're trying to bust me. Let me tell you a story. Last month, I am not a happy man.
In Marion County, Florida, a routine bicycle stop for a missing light turned into a high-stakes felony confrontation. Meet 62-year-old Steven Peturic. He claims he's a man of peace, but within minutes, he's threatening to take an officer's head off with a cane. Today, we break down the law, the policy, and the moment this American versus Chinese rant led to a trip to jail.
Hello?
I didn't make this. Okay. China made it.
Okay.
I would buy American. I have a Harley in my living room and a truck in my yard, but Pooh Lights robbed my license. They had the license, they had no evidence. Yes, get it right, my friend.
Relax. What are you, why are you...
I am rolling the road bothering no one.
Okay.
Why are you bothering me?
Okay, relax. Why are you talking to me like that?
Why are you bothering me?
You got no lights and I almost hit you.
Well, then you better learn how to drive properly, shouldn't you?
Do me a favor, step off the bike.
No, I will, because I know what happens after that.
Okay.
Is your lie, since you can rob somebody of their soul and their money and gain money. Jail cells for dollars. Get a real life.
Okay, I need you to step off the bicycle, please. I'm going to ask you again.
No, you don't.
I don't.
I am bothering no one sitting right here, and neither are you.
Okay, well, what I need you to do is step off the bicycle.
I don't have a kickstand.
Okay.
Because it's a Chinese piece of shit. They can't even make a kickstand properly. I need a tree to lean upon. Or I gotta lean it against your cruiser. Oh, hold it. No. Let us stop. Solid post there. You gotta work with me. If you want me to work with you, we gotta work together.
Okay.
But I'm a proper man and I've been robbed of everything. 8 years ago I had a stroke and I've been robbed of everything I've owned in this world. And I am not a happy man. So that's where I stand. Yeah, I'm going to see if that post is sturdy enough to lean my bike on, okay? I don't want to freak you out. Oh, come on, Mule. Come on. Oh, yeah, that's the strongest post. Yeah, Mule. Come on, brother. Ah, come on, a little more. Oh. Come on, come on. There we go, my friend. There we go, my friend. I'm going to get my cane. Don't get spooked and do stupid things like the other have in my life.
Okay.
And beat on me because they have a badge. I won't stand for it again.
Okay. Well,
That's. I've been through hell in life, my friend. I'm sorry if I sound loud.
okay. Right now, you're not being cooperative and you're under the influence of alcohol, riding a bicycle with no light on the back, and I almost hit you.
I am under the influence of bullshit of this world.
So, how much did you have to drink?
Not enough.
Most people don't realize that in Florida, a bicycle is legally a vehicle. Under Statute 316.2065, if you ride at night, you must have a white lamp on the front and a red lamp on the rear visible from 600 feet. This gave the deputy probable cause for the stop. Watch how Peturic immediately uses a pattern interrupt tactic, blaming the bike's country of origin to distract from the investigation.
With the Marion County Sheriff's Office.
You sound like a good man.
I try and be, sir. Let's start back all over on the traffic stop, okay? Like nothing ever happened, okay? Let's back up. So, the reason why I stopped you today, sir, is as I was driving, you were riding your bicycle with no taillights, and I almost hit you.
I didn't build it. China built it.
I understand China built it.
Yell at China then, not me.
I understand, but Walmart sells brake lights. Tail lights, and they're required in the state of Florida to ride a bicycle. A headlamp like you have, and then a rear light so that...
Sir, I have worked for the richest of the rich, the best of the best, doing the most beautiful of beautiful, for the beautiful, And I'm gonna get hassled for a tail light in America?
I'm trying to...
I thought this was America, land of the free, not land of, let's see if we can rip somebody off and give them a ticket.
Listen, the reason...
No.
All right, so...
I have done just fine for 62 years.
What's your name, sir?
Steven Thomas Peturic, the original.
Stop yelling.
No,
Okay.
I am angered that I'm stopped and hassled.
Okay, the reason why you're being stopped and hassled is you were breaking the law.
I wasn't breaking no laws.
I'm not gonna argue.
headed home.
Are you gonna conduct field sobriety exercises with me or not? It's either yes or no.
I've already done them.
No, you have. So, are you gonna conduct field sobriety exercises with me or not?
I have no trouble with that.
Okay, fantastic.
Hell,
I know you said you have a...
I can bounce on my good leg, but that's the bad one. That one don't work.
I know you said you have a bad ACL. So,
No, it's gone. It's not even there anymore.
okay, so I'm going to ask you to do some basic exercises, okay? Are you able to stand without your cane or not? Because you were walking without it before. I'm not going to ask you...
Now, let me tell you a story. Last month, the beginning of the month, I got hit by a car. The police did nothing for me. I got run over, and I'm still fighting to try to get a check. They damaged my head, bounced me off a car, bounced me to the ground. Of course, I'm angry. Because this world has made me angry. Because they just shit all over me. What do they think I am, a sewer?
Steve, I need you to stay calm. I've been super calm with you. You just said a minute ago, you seem like a good guy.
No! I am not a happy man. This world has beaten the shit out of me. And I am mad. And I have a reason to fight.
Okay. What I need to know is, are you going to conduct field sobriety exercises?
I'll jump on my damn right foot, not the left one. That's the bad one.
Fantastic. Can you do me a favor and put your feet together for me? Yeah, I'm going to demonstrate, okay?
What do you mean?
What I want you to do is put your feet together like I'm doing, just like that. And what I want you to do is, can you put your cigarette down for me and put your arms down by your side?
Here is a major legal fact. Florida Statute 316.193 applies to anyone in actual physical control of a vehicle. Since a bike is a vehicle, you can be arrested for a DUI on two wheels. Did the officer violate his rights by asking for a sobriety test? No. Under the Fourth Amendment, the officer had reasonable suspicion based on the smell of alcohol and Peturic's erratic behavior. Peturic has the right to refuse the exercises, but that refusal can be used against him in court.
And what I want you to do is, can you put your cigarette down for me and put your arms down by your side? I know you have to. You said you need the cane or not to stand straight up.
No, I do, especially after I got hit by a car.
Okay, fantastic.
Dual concussion.
Can you drop the
off the car, off the concrete?
Steve, I need you to focus.
My mind is a mess. Unless a man would have gave up years ago. I'm a man of conviction and truth and goodwill.
Steve, what I want you
and
to do...
I would never harm another.
Okay, Steve, what I want you to do is, can you take your glasses off for me, put them on top of your head for me, please?
I can't see well without
That's
them.
fine. I'm just going to ask you to follow the tip of my pen. It's not. I'm going to keep it close to you. It's not...
Let me take this off. I'm steaming under
You're
here.
fine. If you want to set it down, that's fine. You can put your glasses maybe in it, and then they won't fall or anything. Okay.
I'm sorry, but I am frustrated, sir.
I don't want
This world is all over me.
You just said you got hit by a car. That's what I'm trying.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to prevent. That's the reason why I stopped you. I almost hit you. So what I want you
I even slowed down and the broad run the damn stop sign run me over and the police do nothing. And I'm angry because the police did nothing.
Okay.
I thought the police was supposed to uphold the law.
I'm trying.
Hide it for pussy old lady that can't even drive properly.
Steve, calm down for me. I'm trying to help you, and I'm trying to conduct field sobriety.
You're trying to bust me.
Okay.
I know your game.
Okay, if you're not going to cooperate, then I'm going to use, all I can do is use what I've seen thus far, my training and experience, the smell of alcohol, and we'll go from there.
Well,
This is the pivot point. Under Marion County Sheriff's Office policy, once a subject threatens an officer with a weapon, in this case a cane, the deputy is authorized to move up the use of force matrix. Critics might ask, why not just walk away? The answer is public safety. An impaired, armed, and combative subject on a public roadway is an active threat. The deputies move in for a tactical takedown to prevent the use of that cane.
I got a cane in my hand and I'll take your head off. Okay. Because I'm gonna fend for myself. So y'all get on your way.
Do me a favor, Steve.
Get on your way.
Steve, drop the cane.
No! No!
Marion, hold the stick.
Oh! You are not men of peace!
Steve, stop.
You are men of evil!
I got it. Okay. Yeah, let's get one arm. Give me this arm. Steve, stop.
You are all going to hell!
Steve, stop.
Ow. What the
Stop resisting, Steve.
I'm not resisting!
Okay.
You
Give us the other arm.
The
cane, let go of the cane. Steve, let go of the cane. Let go of the cane. Let go of the cane.
You cunts are all going to hell. Give me my phone. Now!
Steve.
I am an American citizen. Get the off my back.
Not right now,
Give me my phone.
Not right now.
Not right now.
No, sir.
You!
Okay.
I'm an American citizen.
All right, we're gonna stand you up.
Off my back. I'm gonna sue the living shit out of all of you.
We're gonna stand you up, okay?
Unsecure.
Okay. Are you gonna be cooperative with us? Let him pedal down real quick. Hey, Stevie, are you serious right now?
You wanna with me? I'll with you back.
Anybody got a spit mask? No. Yeah. I don't know. Stop. Anybody got a hobble?
Try me, you f***ing cunts.
Steve, do we have to hobble you?
Do I have to kill you?
Are you gonna try and kick us again? Or are you gonna
Do I have to kill you? Or are you gonna get them things off of me? Throw the up, you f***ing moron!
Sit up on your butt? Sit up on your butt.
You little
Okay.
you little get this hardware off of me.
Okay.
Well, what the you got me in chains, but you don't bring your towel? What the wrong with you?
Relax, Steve.
What the wrong with you people? You people are nuts.
Relax.
You people are nuts. Oh, better than thou. You're gonna pay in hell.
If we sit you up, are you gonna be okay?
I'm not okay. You made it okay.
We're gonna sit you up, and I need you to calm down, okay?
I need you all to get these pieces of shit off my hand and get the off my back.
Watch your back. All right, we're gonna sit you up. All right, go ahead, sit up. Calm down. Sit up, Steve. Come on. All right, let's go. Sit up, Steve. Come on, Steve. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Come on. There you go. We'll sit you up. There you go. There you go.
What the
There you go. Relax.
This is no good at all.
That's a bad situation.
No, you.
Steve.
Go slap somebody else. I'm gonna take your ass down.
I got it.
Oh, you have fun with 60-year-old men. You girly men. Ow! Get the off my head. Ow! 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 Ow!
Steve, relax.
Ow! Mother! Let me out! Damn it!
Peturic is now facing resisting officer without violence. This law triggers the moment you refuse a lawful command to place your hands behind your back. Peturic screams about his rights, but in Florida, you do not have the right to physically resist a lawful arrest, even if you believe the arrest is unfair. His medical claims of a stroke and concussion are noted, but they do not grant immunity from following police commands.
You gotta stand up. If I loosen those up, are you gonna give any problems?
No!
Okay.
No, my knee's sore and my wrist is sore. My thumb's totally numb. You cut the circulation.
Come on. Let's go to the car, Steve. We'll get you in the AC. Come on. Come on.
Oh, easy. No, you need to loosen this one off. My thumb is numb.
Okay, I'll fix it.
That's no
We'll fix it
good.
once you get to the car.
No, I could lose my. I already lost one thumb. I don't need to lose
We
it.
just got to get to the car.
Oh, easy.
Can you grab this? Steve, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna loosen it
Loosen
up.
that one. My thumb is totally numb. If I lose another thumb, I'm gonna sue the living out of you massively. No, my thumb is totally numb.
He has to loosen it from there.
Cutting into the damn vein.
All right, there we go. Here you go.
Thank you. Get my hat.
Get it.
We'll get it. Don't leave my hat.
We'll get it all for you.
Don't leave my stuff behind.
We will.
I'm just gonna slide you this way.
Easy.
I'm just sliding you a little bit.
Easy.
We turn him.
Yeah.
Easy. Hey, I'm an old man. Right. I need my phone and my hat.
Yep, we'll get it all.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead, step out.
I need to be able to call.
Okay.
10 for station 433.
Jesus Christ, dude. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go in here if you want to help him that way. Steve, enough. Enough. Roll over on your side.
Easy. Oh, damn it.
Okay.
I can't even feel my damn thumbs.
Okay. Roll over on your side.
Oh, it's not that easy. I'm an old man and you don't give a...
Okay.
Oh,
you're not coming out.
You're going to jail, man, for dollars.
You're not,
You fools.
you're not coming out.
Oh, damn it. No, easy. Oh, ow, easy.
It's over for
Easy,
that,
my
bud.
friend. Oh, I got a bad back, a bad leg, and my gosh, oh, damn it. What are you people doing? Mellow. Stop. What the f*** are you doing?
Earlier, we tried to give you a chance.
You ain't give me no chance. You could have left me by where I was. You're a bunch of girly man. I'm gonna lose a thumb, and you're gonna end up paying for it. Oh, damn it! No, I've got to get up. My hands are numb. The cuffs. No, I've got to sit up. Please help me up. I can't. Slide up. Oh, my goodness. Hey, you have no reason, none whatsoever, none of your asses. You with your hide behind your fancy badges. You are no better than another man. You have no reason to take a good dignitary,
Go ahead and give me
rip him out of his world. What are you doing? Abusive, indecent.
You're good.
No,
Yep.
you people
damage.
are abusive and will be
I'll follow you
sued.
up.
I already called
I'll
the king.
see you in a
Fourth time,
courtroom.
bud.
Okay.
I want a lawyer.
You get one. You gonna come in here?
Where the hell else?
Steven Peturic learned the hard way that Florida law doesn't care if your bike was made in China or made in America. It only cares if you follow the rules of the road. What do you think? Did the deputies show enough patience? Or did the 62-year-old's medical history deserve a warning? Let us know in the comments.